Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I am Dan Oliveira, and in today's video, I will teach you 3 different ways to make the closure for your bracelets or necklaces. It's very practical, and you will be able to choose the option that you think is best. One of them is the adjustable closure with the macrame knot, which is the basic knot of macrame. In this case, you need an extra line, a third line to make the closure, and it looks like this. You adjust it to the size that is necessary for the wrist. Another way to make the closure is with the double sliding knot, which you can also adjust according to the size of your wrist. This one is for those who don't like having a string hanging down. It fits perfectly on the arm without anything bothering, see? And the third closure is this one here. This is also just a little knot, and this one here slides only from one side, look. And this one here also doesn't need a third thread. You will just adjust it with the bracelet's thread itself, okay? And that's it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to receive new videos every week, okay? So let's start with this one that we are going to make. It's a very simple knot, very easy to do, and I'm doing it here just on the cord, just to make it easier for you to understand. Look, we are going to cross one thread over the other, and I will leave one end on each side. This one here, the ends of the bracelet, will be left over. So I'm going to take a piece of a straw to make it easier to do. So we wrap around the straw and make 1, 2, 3, 4 turns, more or less. And then we will pass the end of the bracelet, the part that we are wrapping, through the straw. And then we pull this end so that it can pass through the loops we made with the straw. Once that's done, when we pull, we just need to gradually adjust the loops to make a nice, neat knot. Just keep adjusting, pulling slowly from one side to the other one, until you see that it looks good, is nice and tight, just right. In this knot, one side remains fixed. It doesn't move, and the other side adjusts when you pull it. One side is fixed, and the other is not. That's all there is to it. This knot is already ready. And now we are going to make the double sliding knot. This knot, we are going to make it as if we were making a circle, but one end stays underneath and the other on top. At the top end, first we fold. Now we make a letter, P. This end we will pass over the 2 threads, like this. Look, hold it tight, and now let's wrap this little end, making 1, 2. The thread doesn't want to stay in place. 1, 2, 3 turns. And then we will pass this end through that little loop that was formed, which was shaping the letter. Look, just pass it through and pull. And just like we did with the other knot, you have to pull and adjust it so that it fits perfectly. We will do the same thing on the opposite side. Here, we will make a letter Q, or the inverted letter P. The thread will be folded, passed over the 2, and now we will also wrap it in the opposite direction. Remember that you always have to keep wrapping so that the end can pass through the loop we made. I give 1, 2, or 3 turns, and then we will pass the end through the little loop.